Oh, I belong to you, and you belong to me too. You make my life complete, you make me feel so sweet. Hey there budding Campfire Guitar Heroes, it's Dene again and welcome to another 5-minute quickfire guitar lesson where I'm going to teach you this epic song from Lenny Kravitz. And what a treat, it's a 2-chord song and it's not one of those lame kumbaya type songs. I mean, this is from a true rock legend, Lenny Kravitz. Famous for putting out songs like Always on the Run, Mama Said, American Woman, and my favourite, Fields of Joy. Quite the same on acoustic guitar, but hey, I'll get there one day. But today we're dialing it down a notch or two and we're playing this beautiful love ballad called I Belong to You. What I love about the song is the simple but evocative bass beat that goes right through the song, and the lyrics are simply beautiful. Well, I'm on a 5-minute guitar lesson promised to you guys, so let's make a start right now. Now to help you learn the song, make sure you download the free song sheet, link below. It's got the chords, got the lyrics, everything you need to know how to practice this song. Right, let's start with that bass line intro, which is on the bass E string. So starting on the 5th fret E string for 7 beats, 8th beat is on the 7th fret, and then it's 7 beats on the open E string, and then the 8th beat is on the 3rd fret. Let's do that one more time. 8, 1, 2, 3. So what strumming pattern am I using there? Well, it's actually the pattern that you use when you're strumming the 4 chords, which I'll show you shortly, but it's a down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. Right, let's mix in the chords now. The chords are an A minor and an E minor. And sometimes I do the bar chord A minor, which is on the 5th fret here. So the very basic version of this is just strumming the A minor and the E minor. Let's show you now. You are the flame in my heart, you light my way in the dark, you are the ultimate star. You lift me up from above, your unconditional love takes me to paradise. But of course we just don't want those open chords ringing out all the time. The song can get quite monotonous because it's literally a 2-chord song for the whole verse, chorus, verse, chorus. So you've got to mix it up a bit. We're doing a few sort of chord variations. And on the A minor, I'm going to be pulling off and hammering on my pointer finger and my ring finger, and likewise on the E minor. So do a bit of chord noodling around those chords to come up with a few variations like this. E minor. And of course the other thing I'm doing is I'm palm muting. I'm using my strumming hand to muffle the strings at times too. So if you want to see how all that comes together, I recommend you check out my song cover where I do a lot of these variations, particularly in the outro of the song. Now if you want another really cool and contemporary 2-chord song, then check out this one from Ed Sheeran. And if you want some more 5-minute guitar lessons just like this one, then check out this playlist. I'll see you next week with another one of those forgotten songs we all love to remember.